Hi friends, Dave again at Central California Truck Trailer. So Anthony was asking me to go over the specs and the concept of an APU, auxiliary power unit. So this is a 2017 Cascadia we've got in stock. It's got an APU on it. Now what APU stands for is auxiliary power unit. The purpose of this is to save you money. So if you're going to use the sleeper and you need to provide either heat or cool, this apparatus allows it to cool the sleeper at a much lower cost than if you run the motor to run the AC in the truck. For example, a 15-liter diesel engine probably idles through right at a gallon an hour. Plus your engine's running at a very low RPM, very low oil pressure. It's just not good. So the wear and tear and the cost of fuel on an 8-hour nap, you can spend $30-some on diesel fuel using a truck engine. Now you come out and use your Thermo King APU, and there's other makes, but Thermo King is the best of the bunch. This is probably going to use about a pint per hour. So at the end of the day or the end of the month, depending on your sleeper utilization, this could save you a few $100s or more per month on fuel costs. We're all watching those fuel prices go up, so the higher the price of diesel fuel, the better value this becomes on a daily basis. So if you use your sleeper, an APU is a really good piece of equipment to factor into your deal and see if the dollars and cents make sense. If you use your sleeper much at all, it makes all the sense in the world and will pay for itself in no time. So that's the APU. There's several makes. Carrier makes one. There's Rigmaster, but Thermo King and Carrier are the 900-pound gorillas in that business. If I was going to buy one, I'd buy that guy right there. So if you got any questions about APUs, you can click on the link above and send me your information. I'll answer whatever question you may have. And that's my story. So have a great day. Thanks for listening.